I wanted to keep today's stream a bit short because it's already late and I kind of feel tired today. So let's get started very quickly. Okay, I want to create, so what am I going to do today? I want to create a custom component that can house these images. But I've taken a look online and I haven't been able to find, oh, by the way, let me turn the sound of the microphone just a little bit down. Yeah, alright, that seems better. Okay, anyway, so I've been looking online for image carousels, but I haven't been able to find something that doesn't lag. Almost all of the image carousels that I've found, like let's say image carousel, I've taken a look at, oh yeah, my favorite one was this one, slider. But like if you take a look at this one, let's scroll down, there was a better example. Yeah, so when you do this, I can clearly see this is not 60 FPS on, okay, this is not a very good laptop, but it's a MacBook Pro from 2013. It's not the worst laptop, right? And this, even though it looks good on, even though it probably looks good on your screen, I don't like this. Like it's not as smooth as it could be. And I do not want this page function in my version. I just want a simple slider. So I'm just gonna make it myself. I was looking at how I could do this, and there's a property called CSS overflow. So if you set overflow to scroll, then your content in your div, if it overflows, you can just scroll it around. So that's what I'm gonna do. We are going to create a component that houses these three images, and you will be able to scroll left and right, essentially. Alright, let's get started. In the last one, oh, by the way, let me see the changes. Why is this file? Yeah, okay, I can keep that change. I have no idea why I did that. Cool. Maybe I did it in the previous stream, I don't remember. Okay, right, we were going to create a custom component, right? So let's get started with that. Also, oh, nothing. Let's see. Well, the component belongs to the blog. And, actually, rather than creating a custom component in this stream, I just want to see if it's possible to do that. So let me go to the blog post component. Actually, can I do that? Probably not. Okay, let's create a custom component. Alright, anyway, components. Rather than creating a new one, let's just copy this one. This is the simplest one, right? Let's copy and paste it. Let's call it image carousel. Yeah, add the file to Git, why not? Okay. Yeah, right, we have an image carousel. For now, I don't want any properties at all. I'm going to specify everything myself, everything. Right, we have a div. Fine. Yeah, that's what I want, right? Cool, a div, just a div. And we are going to have images inside, and the best place to copy images in this project is the contact section, because I have a responsive image there, right? Let's copy this. And I didn't want to do that. Let's go back and let's paste this in. Right. I do not want to have a module that's actually, I don't want contact module.sass. I want to create my own sass for this component. So we're going to create a new file in here. We're going to call this image carousel.module.sass. Okay. And then we're going to refer it in here, image carousel.module.sass. Let's remove everything. Yeah, okay. We're not importing anything right now, so let's just do that. Source. Alright, I'm just going to manually specify everything now. So let's go to our blog, and in our blog in QNote, we have 3 images, right? I just want to copy these 3, go back, and let's just paste them in here for now, but I'm going to move them, don't worry. No, not actually. It's a better idea to put them here, right? So we just need to add some classes in here, and I could clean this up just a little bit, like so. And then remove these 2, copy this, and paste it in here. Right. Yeah, okay. Clean it up. And yeah, I think it looks good. And while we are on this, let's replace this with a custom component. We have a component called Hello World blog, right? Yeah. Okay, so we can now get rid of this. And let's find the usages of that. Hello World blog. Instead of this, we're going to mention image carousel. And we do not need to specify anything in it, right? I think so. Okay. Let's find, oh no, not that. So what was the file name again? Hello World blog. Not the scope, the project. Okay. So it's only used in here. Okay. Image carousel. Let's copy this, paste this in here. Right, that's the right place, and we can use it in here and here. Okay, I think this is it. Okay, let's see what this does. Does it compile? Yes, it does. All right, let's go back to Google Chrome, refresh the page, and yeah, we see our 3 images. No, that's not the right place to see them, right? Yeah, that's definitely not the right place to see them. Okay, something must be complaining now. Yeah. Hello World blog is using incorrect casing. Hello World. Oh, I have to go back and then. Right. I have to click the blog again. All right, cool. I have 3 circle images because I have import. Oh, there you go. I was looking at some Minecraft stuff before. Hey, I miss your friend. Anyway. Yeah, let's close these. Yeah, I still play Minecraft. I am 23 years old, but yeah, I'm proud of playing Minecraft at this age, yeah. That game is so creative. I've been playing it for more than 10 years now, I think. Every now and then I just play with my friends. Anyway, let's not get carried away, because if we start talking about Minecraft, then it's going to take us the whole night. Okay. What were we doing? Right, okay. We copied this over. The images were circular, so let's go back to image carousel.tsx and fix that. Right, we want to get rid of this rounded circle thing, right? So let's find all of the occurrences of this and remove them. Cool. So now the images are not going to be... Okay. This is what I want. Now let's place the images in a row component. So this div is going to be a row now. And let's import this. Can I import this? Yeah. Okay. Let's go back, refresh the page, and now the images are in a row. Okay, now we want to set the overflow. We want to have a like horizontal overflow if we can. Overflow visible, overflow scroll. Yeah, why not? Overflow scroll. Let's set this and see what happens. So let me create a custom class file in our image carousel module.sass. Let's call it horizontal overflow, and let me just paste this in. Okay, we're going to go back to image carousel. We're going to import this in here. What do we call it? We called it right, horizontal scroll, horizontal overflow. Horizontal overflow. Cool. Okay, let me just make sure. Yep, that's okay. And well, now we have to select all of these and do some magic. This, and that. And here, paste this in. Oh, shoot. Okay. Right, I did the wrong thing again. Actually, we do not want this in here, but I think we want this in there, right? That's right. Is that right? Is that how you did it? Why is this complaining now? Okay, import order, that's okay. We can fix that. Alright, let's go back and let's see what happens. Oh, absolutely nothing happened. Not nice. Okay, what if I close this? Yeah, they align perfectly fine. Inspect. Huh. I have no idea how you do horizontal scroll, actually. Do horizontal scroll instead of wrapping HTML. No, actually, let's search for Bootstrap. Is this really it? If that's it, then... Oh, that's very cool. Row flex. Alright, if it's a row flex, then... Alright, let's see what this is. Let's make this even smaller. What happens now? Oh yeah, that's what I want. Yeah. So how did this guy do this? Right. Let's read it. Okay. So he put everything in a row flex, which we can try. Right? And I can change this to a div, and I can give some class names to it. I can give row and flex. I can get rid of this for now. I can always add it back if I need it, just to clean it up, you know. That doesn't do anything. Right. Why could that be? Let's think. This is a row, right? Let's get rid of this. Why do we want image fluid anyway? We specify the width of these images. Okay, that didn't help really. Let's get rid of horizontal overflow. Like as if this was going to do something, but... Okay. Still doesn't do anything? Alright, let's go back to the example, because this is exactly what I want. Alright, we want it to be a container fluid, and everything is in a row, which is, again, cool. Yes, that's what we want. We are in... Okay. First order column. Okay. So inside a div, this is a flex row. You know what? I'm just going to copy and paste all of these things. Actually, I'm going to copy and paste this, and I'm going to see if I can make it run on my machine now. This is perfectly valid HTML. Let's go back to our website. Let's see what this does. This didn't help. Okay, let's try a mobile version. Ooh, that's slow. Okay. Right, this doesn't work in mine though. Like these things. Interesting. What if? What if? Wait, there must be some CSS going on. Oh, that's probably it. That's probably it. You know what? Let's do it. Alright, copy all of these styles. Let's see what they do. Clean this up, revert it back. I don't want the horizontal overflow anymore. I'm just going to paste all of these in. Let's get rid of the curly brackets. And shift tab this, shift tab this, shift tab, shift tab. No border style, thank you. No border colors. I want these styles to apply to the horizontal overflows area actually. No background color. So we need these two classes now, which I can add. Yeah, horizontal overflow, and we have flex. We have class name, and inside in here we can, we could do $sign. Oh, this one, $sign, $sign. This is the wrong place to edit. I shouldn't have added it here. The example adds them under the div, right? So let's go back to the website. Let's see what this does. Okay, this is very good progress. This is almost what I wanted to do in the stream anyway. Okay, so let's duplicate these images just because I want to add, like, I want to have more images. Let's simulate a box that has 9 images. Perfect. Absolutely amazing. I just want to add drag support to these things now. Actually, no, this is a desktop site. A scroll bar is enough. But if this was a mobile website, enable, is this touch? No. Can we enable touch? Yes. Yeah, so if you were able to touch this, then, oh yeah, this is much better. And look at this, it's 60 FPS for tiny images. Like, it's not like it's lagging behind some, or amazing. Great, okay. Okay, now that this is done, I can clean this up. I'm not sure if I want to clean this up today actually. So what I want to do is rather complex. I want to be able to give this component a class of strings and a folder name, so it can go to the project and then, I don't know, or maybe, okay, I want to give this, oh, it's so difficult to explain. Right, and I have no idea what to do. There are so many approaches to solve this problem, but I want to make this as loosely coupled as possible, so it doesn't, like, if I ever want to use this component somewhere else, I should be able to do it. So I think the best way to achieve this is to, I don't know. There has to be a bridge between the markdown files in here and the JSX files. And there has to be a custom component that is very tightly coupled with our project so that it can retrieve all of the images from the data folder in here and then send it to this component. Okay, what I'm explaining to you probably doesn't make sense right now. It doesn't really make sense to me as well, but okay, let me explain it from the beginning. I've explained this in the previous stream, but I want to explain it again. This is a very obvious problem, and we shouldn't be doing this. So I have all of my images under my public directory for the blog right now, only the blog post, not the other images. And I want to be able to specify the image names inside in here. So I want to be like, I want to get rid of these. And so I'm going to have something like this, right? And in here, I want to be able to do something like folder equals like Q notes, and well, I'm not even sure if you need this, but and then images equals, and what are the image names in here? Like at the end of the day, I want to be able to specify this, comma, screenshot on PNG. Actually, we don't even need PNG, we can figure that out ourselves, right? I want to be, at the end of the day, I want to be able to do something like this. Do you see what I mean? And I'm gonna just put screenshot 3 there. Right. I want to be able to just specify this, and this is automatically going to go to the data folder in here. Like they're here right now, I know, but I'm gonna move them under the data folder under images, and I'm gonna have I'm presumably I'm gonna have a folder called blog in here, and I'm gonna move all of these images from the public directory under the data folder. So, and I want to be able to refer them from here just like this. So it's going to go under the QNote folder under images, and from there it's going to retrieve app icon, screenshot 1, screenshot 2, screenshot 3, and put them in an image carousel just like this one. That's the goal. That's the goal of this user story. I know it's a difficult one, and I want to make the image carousel as lightly coupled as possible, so I can probably put this on my GitHub repo as a separate thing, or maybe I can make this my first npm package. Who knows? I can create my own first library, which is like 60 FPS image scrolling thing. Wow, magical! No one's ever done that, right? Anyway, I think this is it for this stream. I just want to keep this one short because I want to go to bed early today. But yeah, I'm gonna think about this offline, and I'm gonna come back to you in the next stream on a possible solution on how to do this. Maybe I can draw an architecture on a pen and paper, and I can walk you through. I can scan it, I can put it on the screen, and I can walk you through the whole thing in the next stream. I'm not sure if that would be boring or not, but maybe I can try, or maybe I can just explain things as I go along. But I'm definitely going to do some research on how to do this in the best possible way before I start the next stream. Alright, have a good night, and I'll see you later. Bye!